Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making stir fry veggies, one of the best weight loss meal that you can eat to your satisfaction while maintaining a low calorie count. I will drop the list of the ingredients I used in my description box. I'm going to be slicing my chicken into bits. Reason being that I love it to be mixed with my veggies. I don't want chicken one side and veggies one side. I want to mix all of them together. So if you don't like this particular method, you can decide to do your method. Our chicken is ready, so at this point you slice your veggies to your taste. If you want it bigger than this is how I like mine. My carrots, my green beans, my red pepper, green bell pepper. This is my cabbage size, and then my spring onion. If you want yours bigger than this, then no problems. Because I don't like my cabbage to be crunchy, I wash it with hot water. If you enjoy your cabbage being crunchy, then there is no need for this procedure. Just pour in your cabbage in your stir fry veggies. But me, I prefer to soak it a little with salt, then wash it with warm water.